Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you to get logged out of Amazon Prime Video. Now, you're in the situation that you want to switch account or you want to just get logged out of your Prime Video account, but you cannot find sign out button anywhere, then this video is for you. Now to get logged out from this account, tap on profile icon at the top right, and there again tap on gear icon at the top. Now in your settings page you can see different options, but you cannot find sign out button. Now to get sign out from this account, scroll a bit down and there you will be able to see the option of sign in as option. Tap on that option and there you will be able to see sign out button at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on sign out button to get logged out from your account. Now once you tap on sign out button, you will be get logged out of your account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged out of Amazon Prime. I hope this video was useful. If it was, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.